fucking stop sign. You.
He learned. All right, so we're side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Oh! This side of the vehicle is much like this side of the vehicle. Probably the same vehicle, to be quite honest. But this side of the vehicle didn't cause us to panic and brake. We saw it ahead of time. We're also going at a speed to where we can roll off the throttle and brake a little bit. And it's not going to cause loss of traction because we're not accelerating a ton and we're not turning. All we're having to do is decelerate. Acceleration, decelerating, turning. Traction is needed for those three. So if we're going too fast, it's harder to slow down. If we're going too fast, it's harder to turn. If we're turning really sharp, it's hard to go fast and it's hard to brake. You see how it is? So if you find this nice medium. So we get to this situation, we have that side of the vehicle that we got to be concerned about just kind of sitting there. Everybody have issues when it comes to construction, okay? It confuses everything. It's the uncommon thing in the common situation. So when we see a vehicle like this, what do? We get into orange stage. That's the one thing I want you guys to do in this situation right here. You see the side of the vehicle, we're in construction zone. His hands should be covering the front brake and the clutch, getting prepped and ready for progressive brake pressure. We're scanning, we're looking, we're planning our route. We're looking for escape paths. We have a great space cushion right here so we can see really far ahead. So these are all good, but the thing is, when we panic, there's not much we can do. So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.